All right, we're gonna make this bathroom isometric in just a few steps. We'll start off in the floor plan. If you already have all your objects set up, this is gonna save a lot of time. So this means baths, vanities, toilets, and any other 3D assets. Next thing, marquee. We're going to want to go freeform for this bathroom in particular because of the shape of the room. Going to click. I'll complete it there. From here, I'll want to right click and show marquee in 3D. Now to get our 3D to that ISO type perspective, we'll want to go to view, 3D view options, 3D projection settings. We'll hit ISO. For this one, I'll click 90. I'll go OK. I'll zoom back out. Excellent. I'll add in those other little touches. There we go. I'll save this view, give it a name, bathroom ISO, create. From here, we'll create a fresh page. Just go new layout. I'll drag our 3D in. I'll click the drawing. To increase our resolution, we'll want to change our window size. So right click up top. Let's link the two values and go say 4000, which should be around 4K-ish. Go OK. Now we'll notice that the window just jittered there for a second. This here is now 4000 pixels wide worth of screen, but our actual 3D is small within that space. So what we'll need to do with an ISO like this, by zoom in based on the approximate size of the window, I go redefine with current window settings. I'll go back into my layout. So that's roughly how our image is looking. Let's go back open source view. I'll bring this up a little bit. I'll go back in, redefine with current window settings. Let's go back into our ISO. All right, there we go. Now, if I zoom in, it's much clearer than it was before. From here, we'll just crop in the sides and that last one there. I'm going to rescale that down to the size of the page. Even though I'm reducing it in size, we still keep the detail, which is handy. And we're done. If you're keen to learn more ArchiCAD tricks, you can check out this video over here.